Cool. 2019 Dodge Charger V6. We did something special on this one. As you guys can see, factory converters there and there. Then we cut the Y pipe we showed you earlier and true dualed it all the way back. There, 2 1/4 pipe. Took the muffler off. It usually comes single over on this side. We took it out and true dualed it. We didn't want an X pipe. We wanted it as loud as possible. So we didn't want to equalize the pressure. We wanted it loud. Let it breathe true dual all the way back on each side. There and there. 2 1/4. And then you can't put tips on these because they're built into the rear diffuser. So you got to change that diffuser to get tips in it if you want to change these tips out. He might do that later on and we'll do some quads for him. I'll try to talk him into it. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Really sexy, really beautiful. Let you guys hear it in a second. We're ready for this. Let's hear this sucker. Go ahead. You. Again. Again. Sound decibels. One more. Right on 119, bro. 119. It's so loud. Yeah, baby. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know. V6 cars. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger V6 True Dual Straight Pipe.